Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add video backgrounds in your WordPress website. So to do that, you have to be logged into your WordPress website and then you're going to install a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder plugin that enables you build WordPress websites basically by dragging and dropping and using their amazing live editor. I have Elementor already installed, and what I'm going to do is basically to open my homepage with Elementor. And apparently our homepage looks something like this. We have a static background image. However, we're going to use a background video that we can even make it to be auto-playing on our website. So when we come back to our page that is now opened up in Elementor, this is how it looks like. What we are going to do is to click on the section setting and then come over to style. And then right here, we're going to select the option that says background video. When you select the option background video, it will bring you this option whereby you basically can get a link for a video from anywhere and then paste it right here. So I'm going to head over to YouTube and then I'm going to pick up a video, copy this video link, then come back here to our editor, paste the video link. Once we paste the video link, now you see already our video has started playing in the background. So the other thing we can do is that we can also add a background fallback just in case the video doesn't show up. We can choose an image and that image will be the one to show up in case the video doesn't show up. We can select that here. And then here we can do the settings. We can specify a start time for our video. We can say maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds. The end time, we can specify that and say maybe in 70 seconds or 50 seconds. For example, let me say start maybe in 1 second. And then here I can specify and say let it end in 50 seconds. Now that means our video will show up only after 1 second and then it will end in 50 seconds. And then the other thing is we can set a background overlay. A background overlay is basically an image or color that you can have like effect on your website, and then you can actually just choose what the video is from one tint to another, and then you can also decide not to have any tint so that everything looks a little bit clear, but that way your words won't appear. Once that you have that set up, you can also specify the CSS filters, the blending mode for your video background. For example, if I say overlay, that will basically apply to the color. You can also add the hover effects for your section here. You can say, for example, if I hover over this, then maybe it should show another overlay. Let me say, maybe it should show another overlay, just like this. You see, when I hover over the video, it shows another color overlay. You can say maybe a background image that when someone hovers over this section, a background image will show up. You can set the transition, how fast actually that effect will be effected. Once you are done with all your changes, you simply hit update. Then you just come over here to the home page. You can reload to see how your effects now look like. Then after 1 second, boom, our video shows up. And now it will run. And if I hover over the video, another color shows up. If I don't hover over the video, another overlay color shows up. If I hover again over there, it shows up. So it all goes back to what you really want to build. So once you are done, you simply just have to log out of your WordPress website and you are good to go. I hope this brought you value and that now you are in position to add free background videos in your WordPress websites. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment box below. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.